Hi and welcome to Chef's Review. Let me show you a cotton candy machine from Royal Catering. A device quite large, as you can see, so it's best for fun fairs, open air festivals and other places where you have a lot of kids and lots of families. To show you what it has and what it does, let me disassemble it quickly because it goes really fast and easy. Alright, first you have to unlock these four latches, take the bowl off. Generally, that's the main component, that's the device. The main mechanism is inside. It works with 1200 watts, so it is quite powerful. There's one more cool feature. As you can see, there's 4 rubber spaces on it. These fit very tightly between the bowl and the mechanism, so when it operates, it prevents from any vibrations and from being wobbly. Alright, let me put it back on. So all you have to do is just center it, just like so. Once it is in place, just close the latches, make sure it fits tightly, it doesn't move. In order to prepare a portion of candy floss, all you have to do is measure out. That's why you get in this set this special scoop, so you don't overfill the spinning head. One more remark, just always refill it when the device is not operating, when it's still. So you put the sugar in, you turn the heating on, and once you've turned the heating on, turn the power on so the head starts to spin. It takes about 2 minutes to heat it up. Bamboo sticks are the best. Just make sure they're not so smooth so the cotton candy will not slide and will catch on the porous surface of the stick. The sugar strings are leaving, so all you have to do is catch them with this stick. And let me just tell you, I'm not an expert by any means. That's the 3rd time I'm making candy floss, but I'll tell you, it's quite easy. So if I can do it, everyone can. I'm using bubblegum flavored sugar, but there's lots and lots of different sugar types on the market, different colors, different flavors. The cotton candy is ready. Of course, you can do different colors and do these flower shapes and everything. People do crazy stuff with it. After service, you have to clean it, of course. And you do it first of all, after you've done a portion and you're about to clean the device, turn the heating on, but let the device run for a bit. This will make sure that all the remaining sugar would leave the spinning head. And in order to clean the head, just pour 100-120 mils of water just in the center of it. The water will evaporate and it will spray the bowl and will get rid of all the sugar in the head. Alright, let's turn it off. Obviously, you can wash the bowl, just don't use any abrasive, corrosive or scouring detergents because you may damage the surface. If you're looking for a candy cotton machine, just have a look at the website. There's a variety of those with different attachments, different sizes, with a card and without, so you will surely find one that will suit your needs best. With this machine, however, you will get a 3-year warranty. So anything should happen to it, don't worry about it. And when you order it, it will come in a box just like this one, with lots of styrofoam in it, lots of bubble wrap underneath for additional safety. And what's really important, you get some spare parts, so the fuses and special belts for the engine. Also, you'll get this instruction manual. Just make sure you read it before you use the machine the first time. There's a lot of useful information in it on how much sugar to put in, how to clean the device and how to turn it on the first time and how to maintain it. Alright, so that's about it. Let me quickly summarize. Well, it looks really good. Nice colors on it. It's really efficient with 1200 watts engine. It's easy to disassemble and to clean. In my book, definitely good enough. So, just remember, I'm your hands-on expert. If you need me to try other devices, just let me know in the comment section. I thank you guys very much for watching and I see you next time.